Hello everyone. Happy January 2nd. Today we celebrate science fiction, motivation, and the joy of imagination. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. It's National Science Fiction Day, a tribute to futuristic storytelling and creativity. A great gift could be a sci-fi novel set, a collectible figurine, or a themed movie marathon kit. What's your favorite sci-fi world? Let's explore in the comments. It's Motivation and Inspiration Day, a reminder to start the year strong. A thoughtful gift could be a motivational book, a daily affirmation deck, or a goal tracking planner. What inspires you most? Let's lift the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. It's National Personal Trainer Awareness Day. A salute to those who help us stay fit. A sweet gift could be a fitness tracker, a workout mat, or a thank you card. Who's your fitness hero? Let's cheer them in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for February 1st to 5th. So you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.